Supreme Court has once again flayed bulldozer justice. In strong remarks, the top court has said that alleged involvement in a crime is no ground for demolition of a property. Not just this, the apex court also likened the bulldozer justice with bulldozing laws. It said that such actions may be seen as running a bulldozer over the laws of the land. The apex court was hearing a petition by a resident of Gujarat's Khera district. A bench of justices were told on Thursday that municipal officers had threatened to demolish the petitioner's family home with a bulldozer after a case of trespass was registered against him on September 1st. After hearing both sides, the bench said that in a country where the actions of the state are governed by the rule of law, a violation by a member of a family cannot invite action against other members of the family or their legally constructed residence. Remember, this is the second time in a fortnight that the top court has slammed bulldozer action. Harish Nair, my colleague, joins me with more details. Harish, good morning. Clearly, terms of significant remarks coming through, and more importantly, with the fact this is not the first time that we're essentially looking at it for the past couple of weeks, that is.
Yes, good morning. Yes, making these serious remarks, the Supreme Court has said any demolition action against that particular property. As rightly said, this is the second time that the Supreme Court is making such observations. Last time on September 2nd, a bench led by Justice B.R. Gawai had said property of an accused or suspect or even convict can't be demolished. We will issue pan-India guidelines. Apparently, there is a breach of rules by the authorities. Yesterday, in a very significant similar order, Supreme Court once again slammed bulldozer justice, asking why other members of a family or the legal property suffer for transgression by one member of the family. For the benefit of our viewers, let me read out the relevant portion of the judgment. It says, alleged involvement in crime is no ground for demolition of a property. Such actions may be seen as running a bulldozer over the law of the land. Today, in the order, while ordering the status quo at a private property facing threat of demolition after an FIR was registered against one of the family members, court said, in a country where action of the state are governed by rule of law, the transgression by a family member cannot invite action against other members of the family or the legally considered residents. Alleged involvement in crime is no ground for demolition of a property. Moreover, the alleged crime has to be proved through due legal process in court of law. The court cannot be oblivious to such demolition threats inconceivable in a nation where law is supreme. Back to you.
Right, Harish. Thank you very much for getting us those key takeaways as far as what the top court did state. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it at that.